Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Josh, and I know this month has been kind of light on videos. It's just been an insane month. We've been crisscrossing the country for work and leisure. We just got back from Hawaii, actually. We were there for about a week or so, picking up the Civic and getting it ready to ship out, putting it on a boat. I've got a whole vlog adventure kind of thing coming up on that. That I will do, or I will put up as soon as we actually get the car back here in Texas and we bring it home. I've already filmed and edited like most of that video. We just have to wait until the car is up here. So anyway, lots going on. And then in the next little bit here, I will be in New York City for work. Then I'm in Jersey, Delaware. And then at some point, probably in the next month after that, I'm in Columbus in Ohio, and then somewhere in between there we've got to get to Dallas to actually go get the car itself. So yeah, lots going on, and I just haven't had time to make videos. But one other thing that's happened in the past few weeks is we got this Mustang paint protected. So across the hood and around the full kind of front clip of the car, and then of course the mirrors as well, we had Authentic Details, our wonderful detail shop here in Austin, Texas, do a paint protection film job on it. And I thought I would quickly kind of jump on and tell you a little bit about that, show you the work, because as always, they did an absolutely amazing job. And we're so happy to have this car, because this is a car that, is really special, and that John wants to keep this car for, the rest of his life, the same way that I want to keep my GX460 for the rest of my life. And so for us, that was obviously a no-brainer. We're going to spend the money, have this full thing wrapped, full front PPF job. So wherever we take this car on road trips, on the highway, it's going to be protected from all of that. And by the way, before we get any further and I show you the work and I tell you all about what an amazing job they did, I want to be right up front and tell you that nothing in this video or any other video that I've ever done with Authentic Details has been paid for, or I have not been compensated. We pay whatever the price they quote us is. That is what we pay out of pocket. It is, I think it's pretty close, at least, to the, whatever someone off the street would pay. They obviously do give us a discount because we're returning customers and, things like that. But all that to say, although I'm going to, I've raved many times in the past about them, and you'll hear more of that here in this video, that is 100% genuine. And it is based on us paying the price that they've asked for the work that they do. Okay, with that said, let's talk a little bit really quickly about PPF. And if you're not familiar with what PPF is or how it works, the basic idea is that you're wrapping the car, whichever body panels you choose, with an 8mm thick clear film over the surface of the paint, which creates a barrier between the paint and all the road debris that your car will encounter on the road as you go about your driving and it lives its life. And this effectively eliminates things like rock chips and road rash, and it keeps your car looking showroom new, even after years and years and, tens of thousands of miles of highway driving. And because paint chipping is probably the single biggest thing that spikes my blood pressure, for us, paint protection film is an absolute must on cars that we want to hold on to and keep in pristine order. And unlike ceramic coating, which is not impervious to road debris and wears away with washing over time, and ceramic coating takes a lot of maintenance over the time that it's on your car to keep it looking nice. You have to do annual touch-ups on it and all this kind of thing. The Expel PPF, or paint protection film, has a 10-year lifespan with minimal maintenance. Really, the only thing that they advise you don't do is take your car through an automatic car wash. For us, that's not a problem because we never take our cars through automatic car washes. But just know that if you are one of those people who take your cars through automatic car washes, you don't want to put PPF on your car because you don't want to take PPF through an automatic car wash. And finally, I have a whole video on the process of applying the PPF and doing a full job on a car that Authentic Details actually let me go behind the scenes with them in their shop and shoot the process from start to finish when we took our Camry in. And that's the car that this Mustang replaced. So I'll link that video down in the description below. It's a slightly expensive kind of thing to do to a car, but if you're like us and you care about keeping your car, you know, as nice as you can, as close to showroom condition as you can over the long term, PPF is absolutely 100% worth it. And now let's go over to Authentic Details and look at the Mustang and see exactly the amazing job that they did. And there's some really cool cars right now in their shop as well that we will get to see when we head over there. So let's head over to Authentic Details and see the job on the Mustang. All right, guys, before we get to the Mustang, we have to take a look at this absolutely incredible machine that is sitting front and center in their shop. This, of course, is an SLS AMG. And it's crazy to think that any SLS out there is at least 10 years old. The SLS came out in 2010 and wrapped production in 2015. And although I'm not a sports car person, this is one of those cars that I would love to own one day because I just love the look and the design of the SLS AMG, not to mention the way it drives. I'm more partial to the coupe, but the convertible's okay too. Behind it, we have another one of my dream cars that I hope to own one day. This is a beautiful 911 Cabrio. The only thing I wouldn't care to own in this garage is that GX over there, but even that, it's okay. Now let's take a look at the amazing job they did on the Mustang. All right, guys, here it is. And as usual, the guys did an absolutely incredible job on the Mustang. The secret to PPF, and I know this is going to sound cheesy and corny and whatnot, but the secret to a good PPF job is not being able to see that there is PPF on the car. When you have a bad PPF job and it's like, you know, pre-cut pieces or whatever, a lot of times what you'll see is the seams. You'll see the seams on the paint, and over time, those will start to pick up dust and dirt that just don't get washed away with the car. But because of the way that Authentic Details applies the PPF, they do a beautiful wrap job, and then they also tuck all the edges. You don't actually even see any seams on this car, even though the entire front clip of this thing is fully wrapped in paint protection film. The application job on the car is also just absolutely perfect. It matches the rest of the car. Not that it would change the color or anything like that, but you can definitely, you just can't see any of the PPF on this vehicle right now. We did have them also remove the rear emblem because we want to apply the black deck lid aftermarket trim there, or OEM accessory trim. So we had them take that off because they're the professionals and I didn't want to try to do that on a brand new car myself. Here's the side profile. I have to admit that this generation of Mustang is growing on me. I thought it looked kind of plain and like a Camaro when it first came out, but it's really starting to grow on me. And again, if we look at the side profile here, even along the edge of the hood, this leading edge here, because all these body panels are fully wrapped, there is not one seam that's visible on the hood, on the front fenders. And even though we have all these different creases and the curvature of the front clip of this car and the way that the headlights kind of wrap around the side, you can barely see the seams where the PPF actually ends. It's just incredible. And even though, again, all these different kind of contours and the different surfacing on here, they did a beautiful job wrapping this car. The front clip here on the grille, the gloss black on the grille, is also fully wrapped. And even here, there's a lot of these kind of different crevices that make up the design of this grille. And even here, it's really, really hard to tell without going in truly with like a magnifying glass to figure out exactly where the seams are, because they line them up just perfectly on the car. So all of this is fully wrapped. The headlight cavities here are fully wrapped. The hood, the front fenders, everything here is fully wrapped and ready for years on the open road. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the trip to Authentic Details. They did an amazing, amazing job, as they always do. I would truly expect nothing less from the guys over there. They are just the greatest team. They've got a beautiful shop, and of course, the eye candy in there is always just to die for. That SLS AMG, we walked in and I was like, forget the Mustang, beeline right for the SLS. So yeah, if you're in the Austin area and you have a car that you want either ceramic coating, PPF, or just regular tint, done to the car, go to Authentic Details, call them, text them, email them, find them on social media. I'll put links and everything in the description below. You've probably been seeing, some of that here on screen, that contact info on screen as well. The guys there are great. And what's really funny is we take all of our cars there because they do the best work in town, and that's what we want. You know, if we're going to pay for this kind of stuff, I want to buy the best. But it's funny because we're actually going to be taking the Civic over there in the next couple of weeks once it's here in Austin to have them do a good tint job around the car. We're not going to do PPF to that car because that's going to be a daily beater kind of car, obviously, and it wouldn't just, that's where it wouldn't make sense to spend the money on PPF. But what's funny is, and I was, thinking about it as we're standing in there, I'm like, we're going to bring this like beat up little Civic into this garage where they're also working on SLS AMGs, 911s, and then our little, $23,000 kind of beat up Civic is going to be in there too. But you know what? That's okay. As embarrassing as that may be, it's fine. Again, I want the best job. I want the best tint job for that Civic, and that's where we're going to go to get it. And the tint job on the Civic actually isn't even bad. I think they quoted us like, $350 or something like that, which of course we're going to pay out of pocket again, because we fully believe in doing that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching another video. Again, I apologize that this month's been kind of light, but I promise we've got some really fun stuff coming up here in the next little bit. So stick around, and come back and when I got that all up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Questions and comments, as always, you can leave them downstairs, or you can write to me here at the email that you see on screen. I love getting emails from you, and so many emails because I've done so much content about PPF and authentic details and the work that they've done for us. I still get on a regular basis emails asking about PPF and car care and the best ways to kind of protect your investment, especially something really special and fun like this Mustang, or I think my GX460 is fun. But yeah, shoot me an email, leave a comment. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you in the next one. Have a great one, and take care.